Okay, folks, welcome to Market Wrap for the 20th. If you are watching this on clips, that means you are not a member. Please catch the full version on our website. Go on over to the Contrarian Trader and get our 14-day free trial offer and join the gang, join our Slack forum, and become one of the group. Okay, so last night on Sunday Night Futures, actually Monday Night Futures Live because of the holiday, I went over the mining stocks, the gold mining stocks. And despite the reversal bar last week on Thursday, then again Friday, I said, just still be careful here. And the why was, I even mentioned it, go back to last night's episode. And I said, beware. Weekly Stokes declining down below 50. Rallies tend to fade. And that's why I was going to avoid it because I've been here before, long. I held, and it's a long wait. So we had sold a good portion of our position back here. And I'm glad that we did. We're looking to get back in, perhaps at the 50-period moving average, maybe at 34, maybe at 32, wherever it bottoms out. So we'll go over the whys, behind why GDXJ pulled back in a moment. But first, I want to get to some chart requests for members. And let's get to it. And then we will go into the closing price action of the major averages. Then we'll talk about our short positions in Tesla, NVIDIA, and the triple Qs and how we plan on managing them moving forward because we have entered the parabolic blow-off top phase of this rally. Does that mean that names like Tesla will not move up higher? Stay tuned for when we go over our positions. Okay, so let's go over the first symbol up is going to be XLV. Now, healthcare, the machines are accumulating a position here. The algorithms are accumulating a position. They continue to buy, and we are at the precipice of a breakout here on a weekly time frame. We do have resistance immediately above at around 132.29, drilling down to a daily chart. We pulled back today. There was a rejection at resistance. We held the lower band of support. Well, we came close to it at around 130. I'm sure the low of the day was a little bit higher than that, 130.39. So we may get another retest of the support level, maybe even see 129 handle. But I still like the trade here. Take a look at your higher low on price. And what may be confusing to some is that this candlestick is green. And that's only because we closed off the lows of the day. That has nothing to do with the close relative to Friday's close. Let's check out how he closed out the day. Not a good close. Not a good close. What you'd want to see is that the shares held within this trading range. They didn't. They broke support. Watch for support potentially down here, 131.25. Remember, support levels are a cushion. 131.25 to 131 in that ballpark before you go stepping in. Virgin Galactic, weekly chart, we have broken out. And the volume with only one trading day in the book is very, very good. I mean, really powerful volume. And on the day, a beautiful outside reversal bar where they closed it was right at a volume shelf. This, in all probability, is going to continue up higher. So SPCE looking good. Let's check out how we closed, the quality of the close. It closed strong, but it closed, again, right at resistance. So I think that any pullback here, assuming that the overall market holds up well, can be bought. Because, again, folks, it appears as though what we're about to do is to enter a parabolic blow-off top. I know that Virgin Galactic came out with some very good news the other day. As a matter of fact, what I'm thinking about here is, do we want to sell puts? The options are very, very expensive. So, yeah, I'm thinking we want to sell some premium here. So, members, stay tuned for a trade on SPCE as soon as tomorrow, and I will enter the trade in the Slack forum. So space, a little bit of resistance. Watch for a pullback tomorrow morning or a gap up. It's just one of those stocks right now. A lot of hot money chasing it. The next chart up. SOXS. This is a leveraged ETF putting you short of the semiconductors. It has not put in a new weekly lower low yet. It closed off the lows of the session. Only one trading day represented in this candlestick. It could still break to new lower lows. I think we're going to still get a parabolic blow off top in this market. Therefore, I would not be a buyer right here, right now, unless, of course, the daily chart tells me different. It was up on the day. We do have some resistance above. Volume, though, sequentially weakening. Intraday view to see the quality of the close. Again, 30-minute chart. We broke support into the close. So in all probability, they're going to take this lower tomorrow. So I would not be a buyer right here, right now. Let's allow this market to blow off. I think the NVIDIA is going up higher, and I'm short. I got a short in NVIDIA. I got a short on Tesla. We have cash on the sidelines to get bigger, lean into those shorts as they become parabolic and extremely overbought. But I'm not going to talk my book. They're probably going up higher. Okay, the last request, and then we're going to move on to the closing price action of the major averages, and we'll talk strategy about the markets moving forward. Riot Blockchain, highly correlated to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up bigly today, and you're seeing Riot on a weekly time frame. It's been putting in higher lows, creating a shelf, a floor, breaking out, creating a shelf, getting ready for another breakout here. Bullish weekly chart on Riot Blockchain. Daily view, we broke out today. This is going up higher. You have a little bit more resistance up at around 1174. After that, it's coming up here to around 1274. Let's check out the quality of the close. Quality of the close was very, very good. I think they bid this up higher tomorrow. Note the bottoming tails at the bottom of these candlesticks. In all probability, Riot Blockchain going up higher. Good volume into the close. Let's get to the closing price action of the major averages. All right, so last night we were talking about yields versus bonds. Which look healthier, bonds or yields? Right now, bond prices look healthier, yields look weaker. What does that mean? That means that this tech stock rally can continue up higher. What it also means is that if yields are moving lower, the economy is probably weakening up as well. TLT, of which we are long, breakout today out of this wedge formation. I mentioned the other day that the TLT was under accumulation by the machines. Right now, short-term time frame, they are 55% long and buying, and on a longer-term time frame, they are only 15% long with a lot more buying they're able to do. So TLT looking good here on the breakout, bullish. If you enjoyed this clip, please check out the full version in our members area by signing up for our 14-day free trial offer. We'd love to see you in the forum talking with some really great people. So act now, join, and get all of our commentary, market insight, trade alerts, and options income right now. 14-day free trial offer. I'll see you on the other side in the forum. Make sure you say hello. See you there.